Hey there, art enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the captivating world of Sir Frank Bowling's art, which is currently on display in a new exhibition in Cambridge. Now, this guy is a legend in the art scene, having been knighted in the Queen's Birthday Honours in 2020. Born in Guyana in 1934, Bowling arrived in London in 1953, and by the early 1960s, he was already making waves with his unique style. His work combines figurative, symbolic, and collaged elements, creating a truly original and captivating visual experience. Now, let's break down why this exhibition is a must-see. First off, Bowling's journey to becoming a renowned artist is pretty fascinating. Starting from his early days in London, he quickly established himself as a force to be reckoned with. His style, which blends different artistic techniques, is what makes his work so special. It's not just about the aesthetics, it's about the meaning and the story behind each piece. And that's where the exhibition in Cambridge comes in. The curator, Rashid, had this to say about Bowling's work: "These are kind of masterpieces. They signify his practice beautifully, abstracted yet meaningful." Now, that's a high praise. It's not just about the technical skills, it's about the emotional and intellectual depth that Bowling brings to his art. And the exhibition seems to agree, showcasing these masterpieces as a beautiful addition to the art world. What makes Bowling's work so interesting is the way he challenges traditional painting techniques. By incorporating figurative, symbolic, and collaged elements, he creates a unique visual language that captivates the viewer. It's like he's painting a story, a narrative that invites you to explore and interpret. And that's what art is all about, right? It's about inviting people to think, to feel, and to connect with the artist's vision. In my opinion, Bowling's work is a testament to the power of artistic expression. It shows that art can be a powerful tool for storytelling, for conveying emotions, and for challenging our perceptions. And the exhibition in Cambridge is a perfect opportunity to immerse yourself in this captivating world. So, if you're a fan of art, or even if you're just curious about the creative process, I highly recommend checking out this exhibition. It's a chance to appreciate the beauty of Bowling's work and to explore the endless possibilities of artistic expression. Now, what makes this exhibition even more special is the context of Cambridge. As Bowling himself said, Cambridge has long been a place of inquiry and reflection, and I'm delighted to be part of that tradition. It's like the exhibition is a perfect fit for the city's intellectual and artistic heritage. So, if you're in Cambridge, or even if you're just passing through, don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to experience Bowling's art in a whole new light. In conclusion, Sir Frank Bowling's exhibition in Cambridge is a must-see for anyone interested in art, creativity, and storytelling. His unique style, combined with the rich history of Cambridge, makes this exhibition a truly special experience. So, what are you waiting for? Go check it out and immerse yourself in the captivating world of Sir Frank Bowling's art.